Stolzberg here with Vinny at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and he's gonna cook you up something pretty delicious, I'm sure, right?
Lily, we're doing something very special today.
What?
We're doing a ravioli caprese. We got these beautiful, beautiful baby San Marzano tomatoes. All the guys that work with me in the kitchen, I make them cut them this way. Extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna use a good amount of it. We have very finely minced shallots. It's going in. All right, we're gonna thinly slice 1 clove of garlic. We're gonna do like just a little touch of crushed red pepper, right? So I want the tiniest, tiniest, tiniest little bit of color. That's all you want. See that? A little bit of color. Now we're going in with our tomatoes. This is turning into our sauce, right?
Yes.
A little bit of these tomatoes. Look at the contrast. Lily, what do tomatoes love?
Salt. They love salt.
Love salt. All right, we're gonna prep our basil while this is going. Fresh made ravioli.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that, they're fresh. These are gonna go in. When they float, they're done. I don't want the tomatoes to break down too much. I want a little body. And with fresh ravioli, they're so delicate. You don't want to dump this into a strainer or a colander. Scoot that right down there. Here we go, right there. Ravioli Caprese with tomato basil ravioli.
And listen, you can order this, but don't. Go ahead and make it. The recipe's at our website, newscom.com. Thanks, man. It looks amazing.
My pleasure as always.